Want to breathe new life into your older 4GB graphics cards and mine Ethereum? Let's make it happen. First, you'll need to download the lolMiner software. It's specifically designed for mining with 4GB cards. You can find the download link in the description below. Make sure you choose the version compatible with your operating system. Next, extract the downloaded archive to a folder of your choice. I recommend creating a new folder on your desktop for easy access. Now, locate the eth.bat file in the folder, right-click on it and select Edit. This will open the file in a text editor here. You'll need to modify the file with your Ethereum wallet address and your preferred mining pool address. Again, check the description for recommended pools. Replace the placeholder wallet address with your own. It is very important to make sure there are no typos or missing characters. Do the same for the pool address, ensuring you also include the correct port number. Save the changes to the eth.bat file and close the text editor. Now, double-click the eth.bat file to start the miner. You may need to allow the program through your firewall. The miner will now start, and you should see your hash rate displayed in the console window. It might take some time for your hash rate to stabilize. Monitor your mining performance and make sure your card isn't overheating, and just like that, you are now mining Ethereum with your 4GB card.